thing or two about her. I know she'll only make you cry. She'll let you walk the streets beside her. But when she walks, she'll pass you by. Everybody says she's looking good, and the lady knows it's understood. Strutter! Na-na-na, ba-da-ba. Strutter! Na-na-na, la-la-la-la. Strutter! She wears her satin like a lady. She gets her way just like a child. You'll take her home and she'll say, maybe, baby. She takes you down and drives you wild. Everybody says she's looking good, and the lady knows it's understood. Strutter! Na-na, na-na, da-da-da-da, la-la-la-la. Strutter! Ba-da-ba-ba, ba-da-ba-ba, na-na, na-na. Strutter! La-la-la-la-la, da-da-da. Strutter, watch out! She'll make you cry. Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and Kiss classic music. Today, we got a very special show planned for you today. So without further ado, please welcome NANABOOZHOO. Hey, that really rhymed.
Okay, hey, thank you so much, sweetie. BOOZHOO, and welcome back to the show. Today's Ojibwe word of the day. What do you think, sweetie? What would be a good Ojibwe word of the day?
How about Zaga Iti Win? Love.
You want to do love?
Yeah.
All right. Zaga Iti Win is love. So if you want to say, I love you, you would say, Gizagain. Hey, baby.
What?
Gizagain.
Ah, Gizagain, NANABOOZHOO.
So there you go. Zaga Iriwin, love. Gizagain, I love you. And let me tell you, Gizagain, I love you. I love that you tune into our little show. And Nizaga Ojin, I love Kiss. Nah, just kidding. Anyway, what was I going to say? Yeah, well, that has been your Ojibwe word of the day. And, all right. Well, hey, sweetie, you want to send us out?
Yeah, sure.
All right. I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minowa. Hawa.
I said, all right. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO. And if you'd like to support the show, click the link in the description and give us a thumbs up. I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Yeah. Whoa. What am I doing? What am I doing? Welcome to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'm happy to be here with you today to speak Ojibwe and learn about the language and culture.